Did you go outside and exercise at all this morning?
I walked the dogs, and it was around mid-morning because I wanted to get them out before it really heated up, and it just felt kind of gross.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's weird when it gets like that here because we're sort of used to it being more dry. It's like, where am I?
This is my fourth summer here, and this is probably the most humid that it has felt to this point. And that's purely a subjective evaluation. We can actually look at the numbers and show you how humid it is right now with the dew point, which measures the level of mugginess in the atmosphere. Let's go to the video wall and take a look at what is happening out there right now. Temperatures in the dew point are in the upper 50s and low to mid 60s. Why is that number important? Well, usually our dew points hover in the low to mid 50s. That's where we're supposed to be. Anytime you get up to around 60, that feels uncomfortable, at least. You get farther into the 60s, especially with that dew point of 64 in Palo Alto, 63 in San Jose. It was measured around 65 degrees in my house in the Tri-Valley earlier today. That is just flat out humid by Bay Area standards. So yeah, it's not an illusion. It definitely is sticky out there, and that has been the fuel for those pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Here is the view of Hurricane Hilary. This is going to send more tropical moisture up in our direction, but whether or not it's going to actually send showers towards us, that remains to be seen. Let's take a look at the details on Hilary. Maximum sustained winds at 120 miles an hour. Now a Category 3 major hurricane. That's going to track farther and farther to the north. It's going to skirt over and along the coast of Baja California and then make its way into Southern California, weakening as it does so, down to a tropical depression by the time we reach mid-morning on Monday or late morning on Monday. Now, whether or not it's still a tropical storm as it initially approaches the coast near San Diego, that remains to be seen. We'll kind of refine that data as we head through the next several days. But if it does hit as a tropical storm, any part of California, it would be the first time since 1939, 84 years ago. Rain chances around the Bay Area not going to be that high. The best chance of rain is going to be over Southern California and mainly over the Sierra, farther off to our east. But there's a chance in South Bay, enough of that moisture sneaks in for a 20 to 30% chance of passing showers by Monday and Tuesday. But the most significant impacts are going to be felt in other parts of the state, not here in the Bay Area. We still have the remnants of Eugene, a different tropical system still hanging out off the coast. We have seen those isolated thunderstorms bubbling up this afternoon, mainly over the Diablo Range, kind of raining themselves out, and that's going to be the trend as we head through the rest of this evening. Futurecast shows that stuff just quieting down. And tomorrow, while we still have that 10 to 15% chance of a couple of showers, the bulk of the activity is going to be over the high Sierra and over the mountains of Northern California once again. Looking outside, we see plenty of that fog beginning to shroud Salesforce Tower. Temperatures a mix of 60s, 70s, and 80s. Inland parts of the East Bay beginning to cool off a little bit after you were well into the 90s earlier this afternoon. We are going to see the fog spreading across the bay by early tomorrow morning. It should back up to the coast as we head towards midday. Once again, temperatures are going to be limited in how much they cool off tonight because of the presence of that moisture in the atmosphere. Low to mid 60s for lows tonight. We'll quickly zoom around, show you highs tomorrow, which are going to be back to near normal, which is pretty nice news to deliver after a stretch of hot temperatures inland. Just the hottest spots up to around 90 degrees far inland in the East Bay, upper 60s and low 70s around the bay, and even temperatures in inland Mendocino County and Lake County back away from the low 100s. Temperatures are going to be slightly above average, even with the cloud cover associated with Hurricane Hilary. Again, we're going to see some clouds. We're going to feel some stickiness in the atmosphere, but the best chance of rain, any potential for flooding, is going to mainly stay in Southern California and then eventually make its way up the spine of the Sierra as that system moves farther to the north. So it's going to be a close call. We're going to keep a close eye on it in case it does have a higher impact around here. But yeah, the worst of it really going to be aimed at the southern half of the state.
Okay. Hopefully it dies down a little bit before it makes it. Not a little bit,
either way, even though the wind speeds die down, the amount of moisture is the big issue.
Right.
Yeah, just a ton of rain.
Not used to getting that this time of year.
Especially, August in Southern California.